Today, we are in Seattle. We're pulling up to Jailbreak Phil's house. He just got his RGB headlights. I need to redo my ambient lighting because the power housing broke. So I'm gonna be doing that maybe today. It's raining, so we can't even really do much. But yeah, y'all, I'll get back to you guys once we arrive to 38 Customs. All right, y'all, so we arrived at 38 Customs. These are the
DRL boards
for your headlights. Are you installing those today?
I'm trying to take off my bumper today. Cause I gotta buy new headlights.
As you see, I put my emblem on. These are the new Prodigy jackets, you know?
Nobody cares.
It is the new year, officially. So this year, bro, I'm trying to be more consistent, bro. At least 2 to 3 videos a week.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
Right now, I'm at like 280 subs. I'm trying to be at least at like 5K subs by the end of the year. It could be more, but at least 5K subs. It's fast in your shit, so I didn't think my car does. Insert the clip of Cam racing the Supra and insert the clip of me racing the Supra.
I'm just trying to take the fucking letters off my fucking car. I just need the heat gun.
Know what it took, nigga. I had to stay down. I keep boy and girl on me like a playground, a greyhound.
Go to performance. Go to top speed. Okay. 162.
You know, you got hit 165.
This is too easy.
Me and Cam are finna attempt to take our emblems off the back.
Buddy, get a fucking life, dude.
On the game, bro. Bro, come get me, bro.
You've been saying that since yesterday.
You guys laughing, bro. Come get me, bro. Shit ain't funny. Hey, Cam, bro, come get me.
No. Yeah.
If you suck on dick, you suck on dick. He was feeling that motherfucker.
If you suck on dick, you suck on dick.
That burnt ass Nick, dude. Give it a break.
I need it.
I didn't record us taking off, but literally all we did was scrape them off. You honestly didn't even really need to heat them like that. You just gotta get the rest of that residue off there, you know? Gotta get up in there. Yeah, I don't know if it's got off. So, now it's off. We're gonna move Cam's car right there, move my car right there, right. Hey, y'all, so you don't even need a heat gun.
I tried to live.
44 dwell around. Breaking hearts with a chrome heart sweater on. Breaking charts on house arrest, I ain't left from home. Taking our
Behind the scenes of 392 Cam TikTok.
You don't have, you can just stay right there. Like, you don't have to get that close.
Fuck you. You take care of your business, not take care of my fucking business.
Let me see. I practice.
Yeah, let me see.
You look so dumb right now.
Hurry up, Lucky.
I gotta lock in.
That's gotta be racist. There's no way.
That looks ass. But you gotta redo it.
It's like, why is it so difficult?
This takes no talent.
Nah, fuck, I'm using now, bro.
Yep.
I can't do this.
Alright, y'all. Now we're finna install these in my car because my last ones got broken.
What a monkey.
I'm gonna just keep it real. There's no way that is like of our culture.
Shut your ugly ass up.
Alright, you guys, we'll get back into you guys once we get these lights out and the other wires back in.
You guys like my John?
What, your John Zickelbob?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Alright, y'all, now we got the new wiring in. It's right here. Just to make sure everything's working. Damn, he's flirting with me?
He's gay, isn't he? Yep.
So now we gotta take these cords, and somehow run them under this panel up here so they can connect to these and this door.
A few minutes later.
We got all the wires ran through here and ran through here. They're all hidden except for that one wire right there and these right here. We are officially done and vibing.
Catch a nigga slipping at the light, make his heart drop, cut the green beam on, make his car stop, 223s hit it.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is pretty awkward. What's this guy doing?
Give me the POV of me.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
What the fuck was he gonna say? I asked Phil if he was flirting with me earlier and he was like,
Oh yeah.
No.
damn, he's flirting with me? Tell him what we're doing today, man.
Some Alibaba installation. Alright, turn this shit off before we get carbon monoxide pours, man.
Shut your bitch ass up!
I'm finna die. I'm finna die.
Sorry. I feel like it needed that, you know?
You're on your knees. Right now, they are taking Phil's bumper off.
And she just came back. My first 30-day run.
I just gotta, I'm trying to have foot fun.
The oil red bottoms and get ready for a foot drill. Bitches, you hold something cause I'm trying to put you on. It's your premium and do you scrape?
Right now, we are currently struggling
No, we're not.
to get all the clips out.
Phil's just fucking arguing with me the whole time. People be flirting this shit nowadays.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop!
You popped that hoe?
No.
Well, what the fuck are you doing?
You fuck with that new Angelo ball?
Fuck, I just listened to it. I was gonna say the line. We go. Wait, what was he saying?
You're not frustrated?
No, I just don't like you.
I don't like him either.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that?
The next day.
What's good, you guys? It is currently the next day. Yesterday, they ended up pulling Phil's bumper off and stuff like that. I don't know what we're doing later, but right now we're playing basketball. But alright, you guys, I'm gonna get back to you guys once we start hooping.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho. H to the OV. I used to.
For the first game after the warm-up, we're finna run king of the court. If I hit this shot, bro, you gotta like and subscribe.
Round 1, fight!
Kobe!
Guys suck!
When I came down,
You guys see this guy? He's free money. Can't even hoop for him. I'm a real hooper, bro. I know hoopers, and that's not one right there.
Kobe!
That shit did not go as planned. And I'm fucking gassed. And look at Phil. He probably feels good about himself. Cause you know when you beat people like me, you feel good about yourself.
Bucket.
All right, y'all. So we're wrapping it up. We're done hooping, but rule number one, bro. When you're hooping, bro, you gotta leave on a make, bro. You cannot leave on a miss. You gotta leave on a make, bro.
All my niggas ballin' like Curry. The bitch makes that bitch like a McFlurry. Damn, my chain icy, I'm looking furry. Yo, bitch, yeah, she purdy.
First try, dude.
Oh, God.